In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off Google Safe Search if locked on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if Google Safe Search is locked, it usually means a filter is being enforced at the account, network, or device level. And while you can usually toggle this in your settings, a locked status requires checking for specific administrative restrictions. So what you want to do is open up Google or Google Chrome, go all the way to the bottom, and then go to Settings, and then Search Settings. Go over to Safe Search, and if yours is on filter or blur, try and just switch it off and see if that works. However, if it's grayed out, then what you want to do is check for a family link. If you're linked and your parents are controlling your Google account, you're not going to be able to turn it off unless you go to Controls, Content Restrictions, then Google Search, and then switch Safe Search off, or if your parents do it. If you're a child, you can't do this from your phone. And what you can also do is turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data, refresh your search page, and if the lock disappears, the restriction is tied to the specific Wi-Fi network, so just use a different Wi-Fi network, or you can use a VPN to bypass it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.